Okay, this is problem 11 from Chapter 9 of CFIN7. Excuse me. Kansas Furniture Corporation is evaluating a capital budgeting project that costs $34,000, expected to generate after-tax cash flows $14,500 per year for 3 years. KFC's required rate of return is 12%. Compute the project's NPV and IRR, next IRR. So equals NPV. And we get the rate, comma, and then capture the cash flows after the initial cost, close parentheses, and then we add back the initial cost. So the NPV is negative 14.09, and then equals IRR. So, and then when we capture all the values, so the 34,000 and the 14,150, so 11.98%. So the NPV being negative means that the project actually would reduce the value of the firm. And again, NPV is the most reliable decision-making tool. IRR is also below the company's required rate of return. So either way, you wouldn't accept the project.